Email marketing. Do you want to triple your return on investment? One of the biggest mistakes most marketers do nowadays is think email marketing is dead. Many marketers today drop the email marketing scheme to go with social media. Come to think of it, social media look much more sexy than email. But is a social media post really as effective as an email? Before we answer that question, let's state a well-known fact. It is easier to send a friend request on Facebook than to collect an email online. But believe me, email marketing is thrice as worth it as social media marketing. So, what is email marketing? Please let me introduce myself. I am responsive HTML email designer and developer. I have 7 years experience with web developing and social media marketing. I am owner of IT agency named QuickPapa.com. I've managed 700 plus clients all over the world. Please contact with me to get quote or for promoting your business. Email marketing is the targeting of customers through emails. Every email sent to a potential customers can be considered as email marketing. Email marketing involves sending a promotional email or an ad to a subscriber via his email address. A great deal of organizations today use email marketing. Even more bloggers do use email marketing today than ever before. For example, have you ever been browsing on a website, and you see some field where you are asked to submit your name and email to get a free ebook or update? That is the front part of email marketing. Most bloggers use email marketing because it enhances the customer experience. With a well-targeted email list, you can reach established customers and prospective ones too. Any given subscriber will be informed better and more easily via email. The email will have a greater visibility than a Facebook post. The Facebook post will be drowned in a stream of content in the minutes following its posting. Do you really need email marketing? If you want to improve your customers' or readers' experience, then you need email marketing. Forget about the glamour and the flashy of social media marketing. We are talking efficiency here. We are talking greater engagement, greater reach, greater click-through rate and more. As many experienced marketers say, the money is in the list. Some even say your net worth depends on your network. In the following lines, I will explain the advantages of email marketing. In these explanations, I will use statistics. The sites which produced those stats will be mentioned at the end of this article. So, let's get into the advantages of using email marketing. Let's keep on using our example of 1,000 emails and 1,000 social media posts. A 0.5% click-through rate means per 1,000, 5 people will actually click on your link. This is for social media. Sometimes the click-through rates are higher, but those are particular cases. The numbers we use here are average ones. A 3% click-through rate with emails means 30 clicks per 1,000. That is the best click-through rate you will obtain on average. The numbers are not astounding, but efficient numbers are not always astounding. The difference is such because, when people give you their email addresses, they actually want to hear more from you. Your readers want it this way. Most people use social media to communicate with friends first. Seldom are they used to receive business news and reviews. There are specialized websites for that. 77% of the users during a survey online said they prefer to receive promotional messages in their emails. 4% said they prefer these messages on social media. This speaks to the fact that by submitting an email, people are literally giving you a business meeting location. Emails are private. It is easier for a reader to express his problems in private than in the open. Everybody is not comfortable when it comes to expressing their shortcomings in the open. When a user wishes to express his struggles and he can't meet with you, what does he do? He writes you an email. This way, he can tell you everything. You can answer specifically to him. I will soon create a page where I post user-requested content. Every weekend. Email marketing and newsletters. Email marketing is not dead. If anything, it kills that silence between your subscribers and you. In an upcoming post, I will talk about building an email list. Thanks for reading. Talk to you guys soon. You want to know more about how you could earn from the internet today? Visit my website link in the description below.